we're going to our Christmas party. Bingo Girls Christmas party, char. Bingo Girls. So, yeah, we're going to Shell's house because the Christmas party. We held a Christmas party dito at Shell's house, and we bought lechon, guys. Lechon. Yeah. It's like 20 pounds, 20 or like 30 pounds.
Maybe more than that. 20 pounds is like this big.
We paid $475. $475. Oh.
You don't like?
No. And Isabella, Kyla, and Thea. So yeah, these two kids here are excited. So yeah, we go there. Let's go. Merry Christmas, everybody. Happy holiday. So yeah, guys, we paid $475 for the lechon. But it's big one because it's 60 pounds. And also, it's like 9 or 10 people paying that. Every family ba pay 50 bucks. 50 bucks yung binayaran namin. So I'm so excited because it's been almost a year na hindi ako nakakain ng lechon. But Anthony told me na hindi daw pareho yung lasa. So we see kung hindi ba talaga. Kasi nga yun, iba nga yung baboy, mga ingredients or ano pa. So we see later, guys. Tikman natin kung hindi ba talaga siwang lasa.
Saan yung may, alam mo yung may scratch lang? Once may mag-start ng ano na. Kanina, gitry nato dire yon na ano, rap.
Habang buo pa. Dalang buo pa dahil mamaya wala na yan.
And guys, lechon. This is our food. Sagad. Ganda-ganda ng ano namin eh. Dito na si fried rice. Yeah. Dumating na si fried rice. Ito na yung drinks. Ito masarap eh. Pagawa na kita.
Ha? Ano? Bring na na.
Day. Gusto din ni Ate Joy.
Oh, okay. Ito. Asan ba ito? Para mamaya marami kang tat.
Sabi ko magkano to? Baso.
Yes. You wanna ask him?
Oh, ang pizza. Di ba may pizza? Sa mga asawa na
Mga pig.
sa mga asawang ayaw ng ano. Ito, may pizza.
Don't do it. You can do backward. Like China. Tumbling. Yes, do the tumbling. Nakalive ka, Day.
Hindi, day.
Yan. Kasi? Oh, no.
Ah.
Bayan, ha?
Sana all! Okay. Ay, si Harold.
Dali na! Dali na! Oh, yung flower, maganda yon.